Hello guys, this video I will show you how to link your Gmail account to your Facebook account. First of all, you have to go to the web browser. Then you type in facebook.com. Once you are logged in, you press on the top right to account, and then you press settings and privacy. Then you press on settings. Now as you can see, you are here, and you under general account settings want to press on contact and then edit. And then press add another email or mobile number. Now you should be able to add your Gmail account here, and then press add. And then once you have pressed add, it should work if you haven't already linked an account to it. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you have a nice day.